Hello coffee grinders, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be demonstrating and testing this grinder here, which is a Kissing and Mullman model 9485, which was made between about 1950 and 1960. It's a fairly basic model, but there's some nice features. The scoop-shaped drawer is a slightly fancy feature, and the cabinet is quite nice. Some nice sculptural features there. The test is, as always, we're going to grind 1 7-gram serving of coffee with the grinder set to its finest setting, and we're going to see how fine the grind is and how many turns of the handle it takes. So first of all, we're going to set the grinder to the finest setting, and the adjuster is on the underneath here. So most of the grinders you'll see me demonstrate are restored. This one is unrestored. So we're just going to test it in its wild state. There we go. So what we're looking for is that the burrs are just touching, but it's not labouring. And that seems about right. 7 grams of coffee, and let's see how it does. So we've got about 36 turns there, and that makes it a fast grinder. For me, anything under 40 turns is fast. And as you can see, that's a very, very nice powdery grind. Really nice. So you could grind for any coffee maker with this grinder. To be honest, I think that grind is too fine for most espresso makers, but you know, the idea is just dial it out and until you get it to the exact sweet spot that you're looking for. So there we have it. Kissing and Mullman 9485. If you'd like to see more of this grinder or of others, have a look at the links at the end of the video or in the description. Thanks for watching. Happy grinding.